The restroom is one of the most important places to keep clean. It is always expected to be spotless, and customers will lose confidence in an establishment if the restroom is not up to par. Due to cross-contamination, it is also vital that a restroom be more than just clean in appearance. It must be sanitized as well. Cleaning and sanitizing a restroom is simple as long as the system is followed and the proper equipment and chemicals are used. Cleaners and tools used for the restroom have specific purposes due to the variety of different surfaces, the various types of organic and inorganic soil, and the need to disinfect surfaces and eliminate the risk of cross-contamination. Airix disinfectant cleaners are meant to be spray and wipe. There is no need to rinse the surface after cleaning with an Airix product unless the surface was very dirty. Airix disinfectant is used on all touch surfaces in the restroom, including sinks, walls, partitions, and fixtures. There are a number of Airix disinfectant cleaners, but the most commonly used are Airix 15 and environmentally friendly Airix 44+. Rose Bowl, citric acid bowl cleaner, and environmentally friendly products Tornado and Hurricane are used for cleaning toilet bowls. Make sure these products do not get onto any chrome as they contain acid, with the exception of Hurricane. Glass and chrome can be cleaned and shined with products such as Indo Glass Cleaner or Rain, an environmentally friendly glass cleaner. Odor control comes in a variety of formats. Airix 65 is used as an odor control chemical through its ability to digest the matter that causes the odor. It is commonly sprayed directly onto surfaces such as floors around toilets and down sink drains. Products such as time mist aerosols will be misted into the air to cover up odors and will either be manually applied at the time of cleaning or placed in time dispensers. Start by performing the high dusting. You want to get the high up dirt first so that it does not recontaminate other surfaces as it falls. Follow up by policing the floor, sweeping, and picking up the trash in both the waste receptacles and the sanitary napkin receptacles. Wipe out these receptacles and place a small amount of disinfectant cleaner inside them for odor control. At this point, check for burned out light bulbs, graffiti, damage, or any other maintenance issues that need to be dealt with by others. Next, you're going to flush the toilet and push water over the trap and out of the bowl by using a plunging motion with the bowl swab. Hold your bowl swab over the toilet and pour your bowl cleaner over it. Spread the swab under the flush ring and inside the bowl. Don't flush the toilet at this point. Rather, allow the cleaner to stand in the bowl while you perform other tasks. Repeat procedures 2 and 3 for each toilet and urinal in the restroom. Store your bowl brush in a caddy while not in use to avoid drips. Check all dispensers used for odor control, soap, towels, and toilet tissue, and refill the units as needed. Using a general disinfectant cleaner, spot clean the walls, vents, light fixtures, switch plates, and so on. Concentrate on any areas that are considered touch surfaces, surfaces that patrons will handle frequently. To keep track of where you are cleaning, begin at a door or a corner and work your way around the room. This will ensure that you are not forgetting an area. Now you will return to the toilets. Swab under the rim, inside the bowl, and inside the trap as far as possible. With your general disinfectant solution, clean the toilet seat, flush handle, and the outside of the bowl. Spray the floor around the toilets and under urinals with a bioenzymatic odor digester. Allow the surface to air dry. Install new urinal screens or rim holders where necessary. Move on to the other areas of the bathroom. Using a disinfectant cleaner, clean the partitions between toilets, the porcelain of the sinks, the sink tops, and the plumbing under the sinks. Clean your mirrors and chrome fixtures. Spray around the room with an aerosol odor control product. Spray upwards and away from your face. Pour bioenzymatic digester down any drains that may be sluggish. Finally, mop the restroom floors, working towards the door. Keep the restroom closed to the public until all surfaces have dried.